and assembly language programming. Unit 1 of this subject is Introduction of Microprocessors. Course outcome is to study internal architecture of 8085 microprocessor. So first of all, what is microprocessor? Microprocessor is programmable integrated device that has computing and decision making capabilities similar to that of CPU. It means it is a single integrated chip made up of ICs in which we can write a program set of instruction for performing certain task. That means computation. And that program also gives some decision making capabilities. Means as per the conditions, as per the results, we can put certain conditions and as per our requirement, we can perform certain computations, and that's why this chip is called programmable integrated device that has a computing and decision making capabilities that are similar of CPU. Okay, so this microprocessor chip, it can be a standalone or small independent system, or it can be a part of a larger system. Means we can integrate or embed this smaller chip into larger system, and this chip can also function as a CPU in the special type of computer. That computer is called microcomputer. Okay, so in a computer, consider a CPU, central processing unit. In a computer, single CPU can have one or more microprocessors. Means we know the term multi-core CPUs. That ultimately means multiple microprocessor within a single CPU. Okay, so that is just a definition of what is microprocessor. Now next is what is assembly language. So every microprocessor is having fixed set of instruction. Means every microprocessor has its own capacity of performing certain task, and that is specified by set of instruction of that particular microprocessor itself, and that instructions are written in binary language only. So microprocessor can understand only binary level language. Each microprocessor has a fixed set of instruction in the form of binary pattern that is called machine language. But problem is human cannot understand that binary pattern. That instruction which are written in binary pattern, a human cannot understand that. So abbreviated short names are given to that binary pattern, to that instruction, so so to make it a readable for human beings, and that is called mnemonics. And ultimately set of those mnemonics forms assembly language for given microprocessor. So what is simply a language? A assembly language is it is set of instruction which is written in binary, and that binary pattern is given a human readable name that is called mnemonics, and set of all that mnemonics or set of all that instructions forms a one language that is assembly language programming. Okay, so in this subject, instead of using any higher level language, we have to program directly into the microprocessor, and that we will say that language is assembly language. Okay, so that's it for introduction of microprocessor and assembly language. We will cover next part in next videos. That's it. Thank you.